So good morning guys. Today's problem is we have to find the number of rectangles which can be made inside a possible circle. So what I'm going to write over here, the question is number of rectangles that can fit inside a circle. Okay, a circle. So before that, what does that mean? So basically, say for example, this is a circle, right? So this can be a rectangle, 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 a rectangle. So what is a rectangle? So a rectangle is a box with area, length and breadth, and a rectangle has a perimeter. Yes, 2 into L plus 2. What I have to do is I have to find the number of possible uh, rectangles like this which can fit inside a circle. So for a circle, what formula I can derive is a circle is 2 into r as diameter. So across this diameter, the total number of possible rectangles I have to find. So for that, and also we have to check the count of the rectangle. So let's devise the algorithm. So for this algorithm, what we have to do is we have to take int count rectangles, count rect. Okay, and over here we are passing the radius of the particular circle, because inside the circle we have to calculate the rectangle. So I can pass this as int r. Inside the circle, what I have to do is next is to check the diameter of the circle. So the diameter function will have 2 into r value. Then a diameter squared equals to r squared. Okay. Then I have to traverse through the circle. So for traversing through the circle, I have to define a function for width less than equals to you can say diameter, we can say r, and which is the r, and width plus plus. Okay. Similarly for height, we have to again check this less than equals to r and height plus plus. Once these two functions are complete, what I can next think of is giving an if condition whether this falls under the lower bounds and the higher bounds of the diameter square. So I can write if r square, or you can say no, if w square less than equals to w square. So what I have to do is if h square and w square both less than equals to this diameter square. So then I can increment the count of the number of rectangles. So say I've counted, and we can return the C. So this was about the explanation of a circle. Inside this we have to count rectangles. Yeah. So now what we can do next is we can check. We have used a count function. We have taken 2 into r as the diameter. For diameter square, we have used diameter into 2, or diameter is square. For width, we are traversing through the width. We are traversing through the height. Now next we are checking whether the width and height square summation is less than equals to diameter square. Then we are incrementing the count. So this was the logic, you can say, logic to check the condition of a rectangle inside circle. So let's submit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the solution, and we are going to see in next video.